Welcome back to my channel Brain Logic, and let's check our supercomputer in our head. We have a really interesting and tricky challenge: 20 plus 20 divided by 2 minus 6. Seems pretty basic, seems pretty easy, however many people are going to get this problem incorrect, so if you could do this without a calculator, put your answer into the comment section. It will be really interesting to check our answers. We have 4 options A, B and C, so right now choose one option what do you think is correct and write your option down into the comment section, because we have seems pretty basic, seems pretty easy problem. We have addition, division, subtraction, so everyone learned this stuff in the 3rd grade, but a lot of students make this error. So right now I'm going to solve it. First of all, we have a first interpretation. I want to start with this first interpretation. So here's our challenge. We have 20 plus 20 divided by 2 and minus 6. So a lot of students solve this question like that. They don't know about order of operation. They solve this question from left to right. For example, we have 20 plus 20 equal to 40. Yeah, we have 40. Then we have this expression. We still have this division by 2 and minus 6. Right now we have this division once more. So we have 20, because 40 divided by 2 equal to 20, and 20 minus 6 equal to 14. And we have this option. This is option A. So a lot of students solve this question like that, and they go to the next question. We have option A, and they go to the next challenge. But right now you should understand that in math we can't solve this question randomly. We can't solve whatever we have algebra question. We can't solve this question randomly. We can't solve this question chaotically. This is really bad solution in terms of math. So we should know what is the correct order to do this problem, because obviously whatever order of operation we select is going to create a different answer, right? So we need to understand what is the correct order to do this problem. And right now let's solve this question according to, for example, let's look at this PIMDMC order of operation. This is the most popular order of operation in the world. All internet libraries, scientific, graphing calculator works according to PIMDMC. So right now let's solve this challenge according to this PIMDMC. So this is our second interpretation, and of course then we will check with this 14. Maybe 14 is a correct answer, I don't know exactly, but we will solve it according to a correct order of operation. So we have 20 plus 20 divided by 2 and minus 6. So here's our challenge, and right now let's scan what elements do we have. We should go in a strict order from the top to the bottom, because parentheses has the highest priority, addition subtraction group the lowest priority. So let's start with these parentheses. Okay, let's scan where do we have these parentheses. I don't see any of those, so we just skip this part. We don't have any parentheses. What about exponent? Let's scan. Maybe we have powers. Maybe we have 20 squared, 2 cube. I don't see any of those. We don't have any powers, so we just skip this part. We don't have any. We don't have first 2 steps. We don't have any of those. Okay, multiplication division part. Let's look at it. Where do we have multiplication division sign? For me personally, I don't see any multiplication sign, but I see one division sign in the middle. Okay, and it's really important because this division sign is in the middle, and this is completely different approach with this one, because right here, if we go back, we add at first 20 plus 20, but right now according to this PIMDMC we should divide these 2 values in the middle, not the whole expression, this one by this one. We apply only to this 20 and 2, and it's really important. Okay, so we find this division part. Yeah, we have it. We find this division part, and this is our great moment, because we finally find our first step division. So we have 20 plus 20 divided by 2 equal to 10 and minus 6. Okay, we complete this part, and let's go to the next step. Final, we should add or subtract. Okay, let's scan where do we have addition and subtraction. We have as well, we have addition and we have subtraction. So it doesn't matter what order you select, it goes from left to right. So add and subtract doesn't matter, everyone know about it, and so you don't need your calculator, don't need your order of operation. So this looks like our first step, and this is our second step. From left to right, doesn't matter what order of operation you select. Add or subtract, we have 20 plus 10 equal to 30, and 30 minus 6 equal to 24. Okay, we have 24. But right now, really important moment, really interesting moment, because a lot of students ask me, what about this 14? What is the correct answer, 14 or 24? And I answer them, okay, you solve this question how? You solve this question absolutely randomly. You solve this question wherever you want. You add it first, then divide, then subtract, which is really bad in terms of math. So forget about this 14. According to this question, correct answer is not 14. With parentheses, this is great solution, because then you should start from these parentheses, then addition as first. Yeah, right here we have addition at first, then division, then subtraction. This is a correct order of operation, and in this case addition will be before division, because addition is inside parentheses. This is really important moment. So right here, for the correct order is parentheses addition, then division, then subtraction. With parentheses, correct answer is 14. In our case, we don't have parentheses, so we just forget about this solution. This is really bad solution. Okay, we don't have parentheses, and what is the correct answer? Of course, this is second interpretation because you solve it according to a correct order of operation. In our case, this is PMDMC. And right now, here is the main thing. What is the correct letter? A, B, and C. We have 3 letters. What is the correct? Of course, not A and B, obviously, because this is not the same as 24. But a lot of students sometimes forget about factorial and they go back to this wrong answer 14. They say, okay, we don't have 24. Then I go back to the answer 14. But if you look closely, we have like 4 factorial. This is a product from 1 times 2 times 3. I hope you see this. Yeah, times 3 and times 4, which is equal to 24. So for factorial, this is the same as 24. So we can easily say that correct answer in our challenge is option C. Let's write our answer. Option C is a correct answer to this challenge. So we hope your answer is the same as mine, but definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. You can easily check my answer with your calculator, but don't use a regular calculator because sometimes happen that your calculators work with problem as you type it in. So if, for example, you plug in this challenge 20 plus 20, and sometimes calculator gives you 40 instantly. Yeah, sometimes calculator gives you 40 and then absolutely wrong solution. But if you want to check it absolutely correctly, you should use something sophisticated like scientific or graphic calculator where you can plug in the whole problem, the whole entire problem. Okay, you plug in the whole entire problem, and then correct answer is 24. Okay, so I hope you learned something new. I hope you understand my explanation, but definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. If you need help with any of these classes, I hope you visit my channel with a lot of interesting pre-algebra concept, a lot of brain tests, and moreover, if you made this error, I'm happy you made this because you won't make this error again. You'll be like, okay, now I get it, so let's go ahead and apply the order of operation, and you'll get better at this through practice. So wish you all the best, see you in the next videos, and have a great day.